Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi.
We've decided to call this channel Frenemies, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
Dysfunctional
Frenemies. Because that kind of sums up the back and forth. We will drink an alcoholic beverage, review it slightly, and probably go completely off topic. Things
Anyway, I am drinking Isla Negra.
I think it's Isla Negra.
Okay.
But mine is the Merlot.
His is red, mine is white.
And yours is the Sauvignon.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc.
International Commended Wine winner.
Well, mine is inspired by the coast. So, I think I've won that one. Do you want to try it?
Well, yeah, actually. Mine tastes like vinegar, so we're about to... Oh, I was not expecting that.
Yours isn't that bad, actually.
Yours tastes... What is it? A Merlot?
Mm-hmm.
I may like Merlot.
Yeah, I went through a phase of drinking this like a fucking alcoholic, but yeah, it was really good. And did you know there's a Nebula somewhere?
Called Merlot?
No, but it's got the same chemical components as alcohol, so there's a giant cloud of a nebula that is just literally alcohol. Technical
What is about
difficulties.
to happen? Hang in there.
It's Nuke. This is Nuke, the most docile dog in the world.
He's really a brand in himself, and if you subscribe, we will send you a t-shirt with Nuke's face on it.
No, we probably won't. But he has got Facebook, so you can add him if you like. Look at that scared little face. Who couldn't love that face? That's the thing with wine. It's to be savoured, not to be shotted.
Maybe red wine, not white wine.
Yeah, temperature is a factor. We could talk about places you want to visit the world, like Chile. Linking it with the wine. It's from Chile.
It's mine from Chile.
Yeah, they're the same brand.
They're the same brand.
Where is Chile located in the...
No idea.
This is where the iPad comes into play.
Are we going to be...
Siri, where's Chile?
Well...
Where's Chile?
Where is Chile...
No, it's not doing it now.
Where is Chile located? What the fuck?
Oh, it's South America. Drug country!
Is it close to Colombia, where the blow comes from?
The blur. It's quite a thin country. I never knew Chile was a thin country like that. It's just like this string bean that runs along.
It's like the trail mark of your brother's afterbirth.
That's a very specific description. But yeah, it's quite a thin country. Oh my god.
No, I wonder.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Me getting one.
No! No, it's like Gandalf's here with I literally sat on my iPad. I swear to God.
But if it broke. Yes, you have my baby.
Look, bro, get that.
What?
No, you fucking grateful bitch. Her brain is the size of a walnut.
Really?
Look at her fucking... Yeah. She'll go. She'll get you. She'll go.
What are you doing with
Christian Bale called
Why are you
Moses.
pointing
a
at
check-
you?
Oh my god.
What is happening?
It's a spoon.
She's getting rid of her bonds.
Oh my
She's not one of the sheep.
She won't be tied down any longer.
Yeah.
Break free!
Oh
She did it
god.
so effortlessly as well. Look at her go. She looks like a retard.
Yeah.
Smile!
She shouldn't have smiled. I'm sorry, you should not have smiled.
Just covered in
You
pearly
should have
whites.
just been like mysterious.
Covered,
You should have went with
so
mysterious.
much better. So much better.
Jesus Christ.
I am now currently through this much of the bottle, if you can see, and it's done the job. It's made me drunk, which really, when you drink cheap
How much
bottles of
alcohol is in
wine, it says 12%. So, Isla Negra,
Pearls of wisdom.
yes.
Right there.
There's a seagull on the bottle, which means it's quality.
Seagulls normally mean mischief.
What does seagulls have to do with wine? Are the
Inspired
grapes...
by the coast.
Okay, but are the grapes how can you inspire a wine by the
Because
coast?
the vineyard is probably...
Is it on the coast? Are the grapes...
You
seeds...
saw-
Are the grape seeds buried in the sand?
You saw the picture on Wikipedia.
I saw the picture of a
Half their
seagull.
country is on the ocean.
It's a very thin strip.
It is. It is. Sorry, Chili. You are. Thank you for watching our video. This has been Dysfunctional Frienemies. We've enjoyed our wine.
Very much.
Buy it if you really like, but...
If you've got a one-stop near you, please pick up this wine.
pick it up.
Because it's cheap, it'll get you rat-assed. It's all you really need. Hopefully, please subscribe. We
Yeah,
need
people say
subscribers.
that. People say like, subscribe, and
Yeah.
like or dislike. I mean, that's pretty much the
Leave
system.
comments. Don't be too harsh. This is our first YouTube video.
Or be harsh. Be if you like. I said the word.
Yeah. Hopefully you'll tune in next time.
Tune in.
Tune in.
Tune in.
Hopefully...